Hi, hello, good morning. I'm not assigned in the housekeeping for the whole week, and I am assigned in the room service. What are we going to do when we assign in the room service? Of course, all the needed of the guests requests in the reception you need to provide by the room service. Knock the door and say room service and give what they are needed. But that is not our work. We are doing laundry and ironing the beddings, pillowcases of the housekeeper, room attendant, and also we do washing and ironing the tablecloth, the table napkin of the food and beverage, and also the rug, and also we do washing the pillows, the cotton pillows, feather pillows, single blanket, double blanket, and of course the clothes of the guests. We do washing and iron and send that to their room. But anyway, before I show that to you, please click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to show you about our work as a room service and laundry and ironing. And shout out to Miss Justin Tenorio and Tenorio family, and also to my family, Kipid Diaz family in the Philippines. And also to all hotel workers here in Israel, and to all hotel workers trying to apply here in Israel. Please watch this. I laundry the dirty clothes of the employee, and then the blanket, the towels, the bed sheets, the tablecloth, table napkin will be washed in that small machine, washing machine, and big washing machine. After that, I will put in the dryer. This is the drying machine, and that is my responsibility. And I prepare a lot of towels for the girls who is cleaning the room. And I will show you the area where is the beddings dirty located. Anyway, the bedding is already finished. There is the blanket not already finished, and this is the towel for the dirty towel for the spa and from the room used by the guests. And this is the pillows, dirty pillows need to laundry also. This is the dirty tablecloth. This is the ironing machine, and this is the clean blankets, single blanket, and this is the cotton pillows and the feather pillows. I do prepare ironing for the girls assigned in room attendant and housekeeping, so I put the name so it's easy for them to get their things starting in the morning. And after that, not only the room attendant is my customer, also the food and beverage, they need also the tablecloth and table napkin. Yeah, this is the tablecloth for food and beverage. And not only the room attendant is my customer, also the food and beverage, they need the tablecloth, and then the table napkin ironed, washed and ironed properly and located in the same size, the same color together. And after that, sometimes the guests need to wash their clothes, and we proceed to the lobby and take the dirty clothes and wash the clothes and send to the room of the guest. That is our responsibility as a room service. If some of the room per floor need some things like toilet, tissue, body towels, toothbrush, blanket, I need to go up there while washing the beddings or etc. and while ironing. This is my responsibility. Sometimes the guests want to clean their rooms. I need to clean, and sometimes they are requesting for having a coffee or what do you call clinics, etc. It's not easy to become a room service because my task is not only room service. I do ironing, I do washing, but we not use our hand for washing our hands. Just use the washing machine and then ironing. And that's all. And this is my responsibility now as hotel housekeeper. Sometimes I was assigned in the housekeeping, a room attendant. Depend on our situation. Sometimes we are reshuffled. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And then we try to clean the ironing area because of the dust and hairs, so it's not be together in the pillow and the beddings and the tablecloth, because our area have a lot of machine. Exhaust is inside our ironing room, so it's easy to have a dust. That's why we need to scrape it and mop it. It cannot be handled by the vacuum, so I do scraping, not vacuuming the floor, because the dust is like a cotton, like this. I do that only if I am not too much
two
busy.
kinds of pillow used in our hotel. We use a cotton pillows and the feather pillows. As a laundry girl, I dry the pillow cotton for 40 minutes and the feather pillow for 5 hours or 6 hours. And the single blanket will dry until 40 minutes or 50 minutes, depend on the situation. If it's not already dry, just add additional minutes for that. It's not easy to prepare beddings and a pillowcase for the girls needed for tomorrow because it's painful to hand, but I need to do manage and to have I have a target to finish my things. While ironing, I need to check my phone if there are the guests requesting for the rooms. So I need to go up to elevator and give what their needs. And then, of course, my place need to clean. But now I'm tired. It's not too much dirty, so I will not clean it. I need to remove the dirty garbage. Change the garbage bag for tomorrow. Bye-bye.
That's all the wash linen and wash the tablecloth that I need to iron for every day.
The worst thing in our work as a room service, sometimes if there is a lot of requests like sending there a bed, I need to get a bed, put in the crates with the wheel, then bring that to the room or the floor. You need to ride in the elevator. And then of course the worst thing is when you ironing and you are in the hot temperature, sometimes the guest requests to clean their room. So I need to provide a gloves plastic so that my hands cannot get wet, because in the Philippines we believe in pasma. So you need to have a latex or the hand gloves. If even you wash the rug, your hand cannot be wet because you are finished ironing. That is the worst thing. And sometimes if there is a lot of room service, I cannot provide a lot of beddings for the preparation for the housekeeping assigned for tomorrow. And before we start that work as a room service, laundry and ironing, we try to collect the all dirty linen, towels, blanket, pillows, and also the garbages from first floor to 12th floor from the housekeeper. And that is located in the pantry. When the elevator open, the dirty and the garbage already there, and I need to bring a big cart to collect that all and then send to laundry and separate it from each item. Segregate the blankets, segregate the pillow, segregate the beddings, the pillowcases, and the dirty towels before starting the laundry or before I proceed to ironing. Sometimes I do first ironing because some girls need the pillowcase and beddings additional for their work in the afternoon. And aside from that, before 11 o'clock in the evening, we need to repair the stock of the lobby so that if we are going home, no more room service in the early morning, so they will give to the guests. Thank you for watching. That is our work as a room service, housekeeping, and laundry. And I hope and I wish you learn about our work. If you have question, please comment below so I can answer your question and comments. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog.